battery life is a bit of a double-edged sword for the Oculus Go. You'll get around 2 hours of gaming from a 3-ish hour charge, or about 2.5 hours of video according to Oculus's claimed battery measurements, and that's more or less in line with our experience. You may, however, find those targets missed if you're downloading lots of VR apps in the background while using the headset. 2 hours of use against a 3-hour charge may seem like a poor trade, and it'll be especially noticeable if the headset is intended to be shared within a household. However, you're unlikely to want to spend that much time in a single undisturbed stretch inside a VR headset's confines, so it's hard to complain too much. Still, it'll be a push to get through an entire movie in one sitting, which is unfortunate. We also noticed a rare problem, which we failed to replicate after further testing, where the Oculus Go appeared to drop frames when approaching a depleted battery. It's worthy of the benefit of the doubt, but paired with the way some apps upon booting would very briefly flash the display white before settling, it suggests there's still room for a little optimization here. All in, though, it's hard to argue with the performance of the Oculus Go. For a self-contained headset, not reliant on an external power source or processing unit, it delivers a fantastically diverse and approachable VR experience. It's no Vive Pro, but Oculus Go is the sort of device that would have seemed unfathomable just a few short years ago.